So a business network of now over 1,000 companies that are purely there to support each other and support business coming into Europe from all markets across the globe.
Hi, I'm Sandeep Talwar, CEO, President, TravDeck. Started back in 2007 with the focus on B2B in the US market, with India, Dubai as the go-to destinations.
And I work for Rick Steves Europe. We are a tour company that focuses on bringing North American travelers primarily to Europe.
As Sky Vacations, we service a luxury travel market, but we also oversee and mentor a division for LGBTQ travel, a division for student travel, and a division for women traveling together.
We have seen such a big impact being members of ETOA. And just right away, I want to say, like, the analogy that I kind of have about being a member of ETOA is similar to having a gym membership. You can have the membership to any gym, but of course, it's going to be better the more you use it. This is just another example graph of over 250 leads in the last 10 years. That equates to a lot of business and to a lot of happy travelers in the Rick Steves organization. What we have gained the most from with ETOA is participating. I try to go to as many webinars or watch virtual webinars whenever I can. The recent ETIAS webinar was spectacular. It cleared up any kind of confusion or miscommunication that's out there. But like I said, since 2018, we've attended more than 20 conferences or working groups, meetings, webinars. Another huge factor for us is the guiding information and restrictions. We've provided 540 ETOA European tour guide ID cards since 2017, and that has been a huge success and help to our guides who are legally allowed to work but want to have that badge saying that they are. 8 years of GEM has been just fantastic and something that we really missed during the pandemic. So I'm glad that we got to send a representative back again this year. And like I mentioned, all of the webinars, and one of the best things I think about ETOA's webinars is on the West Coast. It's a bit early for some of them, sometimes 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't have to worry about it. I just register, and then the next day I get a link to watch it on my own time, which is fantastic.
Yes, definitely attended GEM, which was very interesting because after becoming a member, we did use a few of the guides and other resources that were there to help us launch Europe for 2023 summer and fall. The connections were definitely great, and the networking was really good in terms of whom you get to meet.
And I was really taken aback that first year that there was so much engagement about market diversification, people able to talk to me about what's emerging, what's new, what we could do for specific markets, how we could enhance and expand those markets. And for us, this has been invaluable.
And the support that we have, when you're a member of ETOA, you're not just a number or a figure. You really have direct access to the members of ETOA, to the board members, the people who work there, but also the entire directory of buyers and suppliers. If you need anything, you can go directly to that directory and find someone who probably has what you're looking for or knows someone who does.
But sitting really with our members at GEM and then having those conversations offline has really been an invaluable resource for us. We've been able to better plan for our forward years. We've been able to get really timely information about what's going on the ground. So whether it's price increases, emerging destinations, and all of that has really been very powerful and made us much more successful than we were in the past in planning our catalogs and itineraries for the forward years. And for us, the membership, GEM, the webinars, everything that Robin and Sandeep have shared have really proven invaluable for us.
ETOA always has the most up-to-date information about the attractions and ticketing, and they listen to us and lobby for what those sites can do to kind of reduce issues on limiting the number of tickets or just crowding or whatever, they often call for information, and then they'll go and speak on all of our behalf to try to make it a better situation.
Or ETOA overall has been a key pivot to all that also, pushing those agendas to the suppliers, to the different destinations, and a lot of the tourist boards also have started looking at it differently.
For the coming year, we really invite people to participate and join us, because the challenges that we're facing across this industry are obviously not going away. We need people's support, we need member support. We've got some companies that joined us during the pandemic, and obviously they need to sort of see what it's like in a normal year, attending events in person as well. So I hope that many of those companies will be able to join us over the coming year at the physical events as well as the online event.